Good morning, friends. This is Jagdale, and you are watching my channel Tech Studio. Welcome to my channel. Friends, today we are going to see how to install the tiles inside the room. So, complete procedure of installing tiles step by step we are going to discuss today. So, let us start the video and see how it is done. Firstly, mixture of cement and sand is spread inside the room and leveling of it is done. See, now this person is taking level at the each corner of the room. Now he is taking level of one corner. He is taking proper measurements and he will be doing the leveling. Likewise, at all the four corners, he will take the level and then complete sand and cement mixture is spread all over the room. Now he will maintain this level throughout the room as per each corner. Now see, he is cutting the tiles as per his requirement. So he will firstly cut the tiles as per his requirement. Now proper leveling is done by mason. See, he is adding cement and sand mixture wherever required, and proper level he is making so that tile can be placed firmly without any problem. So you see, it is plain, everything is made plain by him. After making proper level, now he is spreading cement and water solution. See, likewise, or adjusting that mixture as per his requirement. See, again he is adding wherever required. Now he is placing the tile on that. Likewise, throughout the rooms he will keep placing tiles and do the proper alignment of the tiles at all the four corners. While arranging tiles wherever required, see, he is making proper cuts so that tile can be fixed with at least 1 mm gap between wall and the other fixtures. He is checking now, is there anywhere any one place where up and down is there. While fixing tiles, if required, he is taking help of the other person so that he can maintain the proper level at all the four corners of the piece of the tile. See, they are adjusting it properly so that all the corners of the tile are aligned with other tiles already placed. Again, now he is with the help of hammer, he is tapping on the tile and adjusting the corners of the tile as per his requirement. See, with the help of hammer and wooden piece, he is tapping on the tile so that tile can be fitted properly. Friends, this is the way tiling work is done inside the room. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.